Can you make your dog live forever? Your dog being fat is going to keep him from living to his genetic potential, period. Not that long ago, the Purina Lifespan Study was published. Few people really want to believe or rely on the results. Unequivocally, it documents that your dog being obese and overweight will live 2 years less than his genetic potential. You can choose those 2 years or not. Fido doesn't get up in the morning, pour himself 5 bowls of kibble, and eat as much as he wants. It's you that fills up the bowl. If you want your dog or cat to live forever, keep him a lean, mean fighting machine.